Yeah, so I mean, I got it to work.
Okay.
The problem is that with this new stone, they've moved it out, and so the rod doesn't go all the way back where it should. There's a pilot in the very back of the damper that the rod should go all the way through. It doesn't make it all the way through, but as long as they're aware of how they're doing it,
How do you use it?
So it's to the
right?
To the right opens it.
Uh-huh.
And then if we go to the left, I can go all the way until it closes. It's a lot of turns. Now it's closed.
So that's like a whole bunch of turns.
All the way to the left,
Is
as far as
closed.
you can go, and you can't go anymore. That's closed now.
Mhm.
So when you open it, I would say 1.
14. I got 14 too.
14 turns.
That's good. Okay, we now both know.
Now it's open to where it needs to be. If you go any further, sometimes you'll risk maybe this coming apart again. But
Okay. The magic 14.
yeah.
And that screw that was inside the fireplace, did you put that up there again?
Yeah.
That's what it's working on?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's why it's
I don't know. So I just was asking. There was a screw in the fireplace.
Yeah, that big, I don't want to call it a screw, but it's,
Whatever you call, what
That
do you
big
call that?
mechanism. I don't know what that's called. I mean, it's
Whatever it is.
the screw process is supposed to happen when you do it. Yeah, I don't know what that piece is called.